thinking about all the times that I drew love poems from my pain, and what it really means to have loved and lost, and to bind it to your frame. I think it's more about the subject that Picasso brought about, that we're all born formidable artists, but as we grow, we let it out. And I don't mean we let it out like growing flowers of our minds. I mean we swap it out for educations where the evil lead the blind. We're only taught to input numbers, keep the factory line in order, fill in your forms, fix accounts. Don't you ever cross the border. In there somewhere is the moment where you lost hold of your soul. That's why the only thing that you've got left is to set up another goal. But what if I told you the secret? A way that we could all be freed. We'll kick ourselves when we all realize that love is all you really need. And that's why it drives us crazy, like those paintings that you don't get. Because you lost your artistic vision. That's the target. You're the net. When you accept that it is in you, you'll realize you have to get out. You'll see a world filled with little boxes, housing people filled with doubt. And when you truly realize that love is the chaotic, beating heart, at the center of all creativity, it'll stop tearing you apart. You'll accept it for its beauty and for its ugliness in tow. We'll paint the most incredibly beautiful future. So when you see her, say hello.